welcome to my channel. This is your girl Jules, and thank you so much for joining me on yet another episode of Jules Kitchen. So in today's episode, I am joined by my little one over there. He's so busy on his phone because today is Sunday and my help is on off. But that does not stop us from recording. As always, we do what we can with what we have, and yeah, all those other things that you can think about. So as always, I hope you're keeping safe, you're washing your hands, you're sanitizing, you're staying at home, you're working from home, and most importantly, you're checking up on your loved ones wherever they may be. So on today's recipe, I'm going to be sharing with you one of my best drinks. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a blueberry banana smoothie. It's very nutritious, it's very healthy, it's very tasty. It's one of those drinks that you always take either in the morning, in the evening, and especially if you go to the gym or you love exercising. This is one of those drinks that you really want to have because it gives you a lot of protein. Yeah, so let's do this. Welcome to my kitchen. So guys, like I said, I'm going to be showing you how to make a blueberry banana smoothie. It will only take us about 5 minutes and we're done, okay? So let's do this. The first thing you need is blueberry, the blueberries themselves. That's why it's called the blueberry banana smoothie. Of course, you need a banana, like one healthy, fat banana, okay? And then you also need about 2 glasses of milk. Of course, it also depends on the amount that you need. The other thing you'll need is this. I have desiccated coconut powder. Remember, you can use coconut milk, coconut powder, whatever it is that you like. So this is one of those ingredients that I just normally have. Not a necessity, but it does add some flavor to it. Then I also have natural yogurt. Of course, you know how healthy natural yogurt is. And I normally add some chia seeds, just for the nutritious value of this. So the first thing that you'll need to do is that you'll need about a cup of blueberries. So I'm going to put this here. So I'm going to be putting these blueberries in this bowl, just so that we measure how much of this we're going to be using. So you need about a cup of that, and you're going to add it into our blender. Of course, you need a blender. I forgot to mention that. Then, so this is about 1.5 measure of the blueberries. I bought the really tiny ones. So 1.5 of that. The next thing I'm going to need to add in there is the bananas, of course. Here I'm going to just use one big banana. So I'm going to cut it into small pieces and add it into this mixture. And the rest of these, and remove the bad parts and put it in there. So I've put in my banana and my blueberries. The next thing I'm going to have to add is some chia seeds. Here I'm going to just use about 1 teaspoon of this, 1 tablespoon I mean, of chia seeds. There you go, there's your chia seeds. Just going to add it there. So remember, you can add any other seeds that you love that are going to be blended well. The next thing I'm going to add is my coconut, my desiccated coconut. I'm also going to add about 1 tablespoon of this. That's the amount. I'm going to put it in here. And then I'm going to put a little bit of yogurt, and this, like I mentioned, this is natural yogurt. And in here I'm going to put about half a cup, yeah, or about this amount. we go. Then the last thing I'm going to add onto my mixture is milk. This is natural milk, and you can add as much as you want. So in this case, I've put 1 glass, but I'm thinking I probably need to add another one. Remember, it depends with how thick you want your yogurt. So this is fresh milk. I've put about 2 glasses of this because I'm planning to make about 2 big cups of this. Then after you're done, of course, you're gonna close this and you're going to blend our mixture. Yeah, so I've just blended it for about a minute. Let me see how thick it is. You can see this is how thick it is. If you want it more thicker, remember you can always add more bananas, more blueberries. But what I love the most about this is that it's very purple, just like I love it. If you love blueberries, I mean, I love everything. Blueberry cake, blueberry, it's very delicious. So let me taste this for you. My gosh, this tastes like heaven. And I'm going to be serving this. So for me, I think this is done, but let me just do one more last blend. There we go. So I'm going to be serving this in my this cup. So you can serve your blueberry. Remember, you can take this in the morning or after work or after school, wherever it is that you're going. And there's my blueberry smoothie. You can serve it in one of these mason jars. I love mason jars, by the way. Just feels nice to have this. So now, because you cannot taste this, let me do it for you and let me tell you the results. This is heaven. This is heaven. So thank you so much. Okay, so guys, this is so delicious. You see, it has only taken me about 5 minutes and I was done. So this is something that you want to try. Please try it and then make sure that you tag me once you've made this and let me see how yours turns out. Okay, so thank you so much for joining my channel, and until next time, it's been real. Cheers. Mwah.